In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose Apps section. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Permission Manager. Finally, tap on one of your device's features, like location. Then click on an app. I will go with Chrome and select the best option for you. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to my device location if I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature, and then look for an app that you are interested in. For example, I will go into Camera to access Camera. Now click on See All Camera Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!